The good thing about hiking solo is that I'm not going to try to climb that boulder, but I really want to.
I'm super excited.
I'm giving up. How did I miss a campsite? With no light. Probably not going to happen. And navigation still seems to be a struggle. Where the heck was North Carlson? Shoot, I'm going to go for it. Alright, we're on day 12. And day 11, shin splints got added to my leg issues. So I had the rolled ankle, which is way better, 95% cured, I'd say, or healed. I've got pain on the outside left knee, outside right knee. The one on the outside right knee is almost healed. And then I got shin splints on the right shin, and those are horrible. So the outside left knee, which has been my worst deterrent to getting miles, is now not as bad because I'm going super slow and about half to 2/3 the miles. My pack is going to be the lightest it's ever been, so I'm going in for my first resupply after 12 days. And no, I'm not out of food, but I'm at least close. I am eating more, so that's good. So I'm using more of this stuff, but after 11 days, we're going to need some more finally. But when you don't eat, you don't drink water, you don't have as many uses to wash your hands. And no deposit, no return. But that's all changing. I hate the soapy taste I get when I use my bare hands on this after I clean them. But I got probably 8 miles into town, and I don't know if I did 8 miles yesterday. And then after I come out of town, probably 5 miles to a campground. So, yeah, interesting day today. We'll see what happens. I don't know if you can catch Lake Superior through there. What amazing views.